was summertime on the island of Sodor. All the engines were feeling bright and cheerful. However, the same couldn't be said for the Fat Controller. "So he's really coming this time?" asked the station master. "Indeed," said the Fat Controller. "I had hoped to delay his visit to avoid the busy season." "Family is family, I suppose." "Indeed." Toby was collecting passengers from the fishing village. He was about to set off when... "Oi, wait for me!" A man with a large suitcase was running up behind. "Cora, you lot don't wait around. You can tell my brother's in charge." "Your brother?" squeaked Toby. "Aye, Lowham's the name. Jokes and entertainment at your service." "Well, I'm Toby. Steam tram at yours." "Ah, cracking. Listen, mate, can you take me to see Toppy? I'm supposed to be meeting him for lunch." "Of course. He's just down the line." "Lovely jubbly." But when Toby arrived, he saw the Fat Controller driving away. "I'm sorry, sir," said the station master. "There's been an accident up at the big station. Your brother has said you can wait here until he gets back." But Lowham had other ideas. "I'll find ways to entertain myself, thank you. Come on, Toby, we're going sightseeing." And they set off for the next station. When they stopped, Lowham spotted something that made him giddy with excitement. God, what a beauty! And he rushed over to a large hangar. "Is she scareworthy?" he asked. "Only just," said a pilot. "We've just overhauled the engine." "How much for a spin?" Toby couldn't see what was going on, but he suddenly heard a loud buzzing from the hangar. Wahey! Oh, that can't be good, sighed Toby. "Toby can keep his trains, this is much more fun." But the fun soon stopped. The engine spluttered and he began losing altitude. Meanwhile, Duncan was shunting trucks at the quarry, when suddenly... Look out! Maniac! Lowham frantically tried to regain control, but everything he did only seemed to make things worse. At last, the engine finally gave up, and Lowham found himself heading straight into a muddy ditch. When the workmen came to the rescue, the Fat Controller spoke severely to Lowham. "You've really done it this time. You can't go 5 minutes without causing some sort of disaster." "Hey, at least no one was hurt." "That's besides the point. Everything's just a joke to you, isn't it?" "Oh, come on, Toppy, I don't make jokes about everything. That would be plain wrong." Toby couldn't quite see the funny side. But after all, family is family.